Hello, Marymount students. You must be asking yourself how it is going to be possible to continue our academic year from home? Because we all want to move forward. Don't worry. At Marymount, we have been preparing for this for a long time. During the last years, many experts from around the world have visited us to share with your teachers and explain them how to use technology to make your learning a better experience. This is why what we are suggesting will be very easy, and you will notice that you already know the path. It is the moment to take a new step, to work together as a learning community and demonstrate that we can get through this adversity and that we are truly entrepreneurial leaders with solid values and global competence. Welcome to Marymount e-learning. Our model is implemented in the following way: online, offline, synchronous, and asynchronous. Online is when you connect to an online class or when you work in programs that require an internet connection. And offline is when you don't need to be connected to the internet or when you work in your notebooks, books, and manual projects. Synchronous is when you can see from your computer what happens in real time, and when you can even participate by sending your opinion or commenting. Asynchronous is when you are not able to connect at the same time that everyone else is, and you access later to the recordings of the classes and the online material prepared by your teachers. Let's try this. Tomorrow is the first day of stage 1, which will last for 4 days. For this, you will need to: 1. Wake up and be ready to start tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Remember to be well presented and make sure you wear comfortable clothes which will allow you to work out, because we will offer you every day a physical activity session. 2. Keep your space where you will be working organized. This space should allow you to work easily with books, notebooks, or any other resource. 3. Keep your device charged and your headphones connected so that the noise in the house will not interfere with what you are doing. 4. Pay close attention to the following explanation of how to join Google Meet, and set up your computer at least 10 minutes before 8:30 a.m. so that you make sure you are ready. Now, let's take a look on how to access Google Meet. We want you to know that we are a click away from you and that you can ask for help whenever you want, either by sending a message to your teachers or entering the help desk button on the web page. Alright, that's all. Remember, all you need to do is access to your homeroom Google Classroom tomorrow, where you will find the e-learning sign, and with your teachers, you will know your schedule and how it works. You will notice how easy it is.